Logical operators are used with Boolean expressions or variables. The AND operator needs that all the variables should be true. In the given example, the value true is assigned to variables A and B. Now, if the AND operator is applied by writing A and B, the result will be true. Now shown that there is one more Boolean variable C, it is initiated by value false. As shown in the example here, if the AND operator is applied between A and C, it will return false. So, to conclude, the AND operator will return true if all variables have value true, and it can also be applied on multiple variables. The next operator is logical OR. For making the entire expression true, at least any one of the variables should be true. To understand this better, see the given example. Here three Boolean variables A, B and C have been mentioned. The value true has been assigned to A and B and false has been assigned to C. Now if you have to evaluate A or B, Python will return true. If you evaluate A or C, again it will return true because, as discussed earlier, at least one variable should be true. But if you create one more variable D and assign false to it and then calculate C or D, it will be evaluated as false because in this situation both variables are false. The third logical operator is called logical NOT. This is also called the negation operator. This operator returns the opposite value of the listed value in a variable. In the given example, if you create variable A and assign the value true to it and then evaluate not A, it will be evaluated as false. Similarly, if you apply the logical NOT operator to twice on a variable or Boolean expression, it will return the actual value as it will negate the first opposite resulted value. For example, if you apply logical NOT twice on a variable, the value returned will be true.